Alright, so we need to talk about example 3. I'm not going to actually help you solve it, but the only difference is I just want to remind you, what do you do when it's 2x minus 10 instead of 2x plus 10? So for example 3, just remember that the whole goal is we always want to get only variables on the variable side and only numbers on the number side. And here we put the line down the middle, and remember that the line down the middle is actually down the equal sign. Okay, so that's where the line is. The line doesn't like go over here, for example. So the only thing I want to remind you is we want to make sure that now minus 10 is 0. And how do I get 0? If we have a minus 10, that means we need to add 10 on both sides. This will be a plus 10, and you put plus, like you're putting plus 10 on both sides. So this gives me a 0. So we get 2x equals, and 2 plus 10 is 12. Now, you can go ahead and do the rest. Make sure that when you do your check step, you're plugging in the value for x that you get into the equation. Alright, now that's really all I'm going to help you with. You got the rest. Good luck, and call me if you need anything.